Morning, everybody. Real good times here. It's Garrett Reese. I got woke up early, but it's okay. You know why? Because we're going fishing. Going spear fishing, doing my thing. How you doing? Little running action. You know, you got to get up, get your body healthy, keep it healthy. Body in motion stays in motion, which is why we're going fishing. So we're gonna try some snapper fishing, some red fishing, some snook fishing, some trout fishing, maybe some grouper fishing, but we're definitely doing some spear fishing. So going to get some shrimp right now for backup. You know, some people love shrimp, some people don't. I like shrimp. So you guys stay tuned. Here we go. So y'all, here we are. Beautiful Christie River, all the way at the end of Fort Allen Trail. About to launch. Beautiful day, beautiful day. I heard it was supposed to rain. There's a little storm building up out in the west. It's moving north, so hopefully it stays out of our way. Bunch of boats here. Look at all the traffic. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you're as excited as I am. Here comes a good video for you. What's going on, everybody? Just want to tell you a little bit about what we're doing. See these mangroves? They're super shallow. There's structure everywhere, little rocks, crevices. So these mangrove snappers like to hang out there, also in this current right here. So we're diving this current, diving to the bottom, holding onto the rocks and just waiting for them to come. And sure enough, we got one. We're gonna go for some more. I think we're gonna hit a next spot. It's a little dirty here. Probably gonna go out a little bit farther, but like I always say, let's see what we can do. Nice job. Heck yeah. Good job. Good job. All right, guys, there's a shark swimming right here down the mangrove. See if we can hook into him. Hey, if he gets on him, I hand you this GoPro, okay? There he is. He's swimming by. It's a little bonnet head. Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, he's scared of it. No. Yeah, he's swimming right away from it. Let me see if I can toss it in front of him. No, he swam right away from it.
Really?
That's weird.
It is weird.
You never know.
Snapper. Now we're gonna work on some trout. How about that? Seems we found the spot. We're on them. Oh yeah.
Coming on in. Beautiful trout. See how big he is. 17 1/4. Real good times. All right, everybody. This about wraps it up for today. We are Pete. It's hot. We caught fish. We had a great day. I hope y'all liked the video. Like I said, like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate every one of you. All the support. Thank you so much. So check back for more videos. Hope you like this one, and real good times.